really good.
Okay, welcome back to Sea Smoke. Today we're going to be making a keto-friendly turkey burger. We're going to be using a plant-based bun. We're going to start off by smoking our turkey patties here. We got the smoker at 6270. So we're going to do a mushroom Swiss turkey burger on a plant-based bun. So we're going to let these smoke up. And we're going to get some mushrooms ready for you in just a minute. Katie's going to show you how to do that. She's cutting them up right now. And yeah, we'll get back at it in just a few minutes.
So we're going to saute our mushrooms. And my husband's already got the turkey burgers on the grill, cooking those. So I'm going to show you how to make the mushroom sauce to go on it. I have 2 tablespoons of butter that I've got in my cast iron skillet. You can use any kind of skillet, pot, or whatever you got. I was just using this one myself that we're going to cook our mushrooms in. I'm going to let this melt, and then we're going to add our mushrooms in there. And this shouldn't take too long to do. And it's only a few simple ingredients. But, I mean, if you don't want to use butter, you don't have to use butter. You can use a little vegetable oil or cooking oil. You can use some extra virgin olive oil or any kind of oils you want, you know, sunflower or something. Anything you want to use that'd be less fattening or whatever, if you're trying to make it a really good diet, you know, dish, then just use whatever you feel comfortable. You know, grapeseed oil, anything like that you might want to use to lighten up the dish more and not have as many calories in it. Alright, I got all that done, so I'm going to add my sliced mushrooms to my skillet. And I'm going to start letting those cook. And I'm going to add a little pepper to them. Now, I'm not going to add any salt to this because we're going to add Worcestershire sauce and also beef broth. And you know how I am whenever we add extra salty things, I don't add extra salt. So since the Worcestershire sauce has a lot of salt in it and the beef broth has a lot of salt in it, I'm not going to add extra salt. But like I always say, if you want to find some low sodium, you know, beef broth or something like that, that's absolutely fine also. But yep, this isn't going to take too long. We're just going to sweat these mushrooms down, and then we're going to add the beef broth and Worcestershire sauce to it. That's mostly your main components that's going to go in it. I'm going to add some dry herbs to mine also. You don't have to, but mostly you just need the fat to saute your mushrooms in, or your oil of any kind. And you need the Worcestershire sauce and the beef broth. And that's pretty much all you need for your mushroom sauce. So we're just going to give this a few minutes, and then we'll add our other items. Alright, our mushrooms have been sauteing for a little while now, and they've gone down some, so I'm going to go ahead and put my dry herbs in there I want to put in. And I have put a little garlic in here also. I can smell my herbs heating up already. Right. I'll mix that around. Get it all over my mushrooms. Alright, now we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce.
put the cheese.
It's on the top shelf.
Got it.
You don't have to open it, it's still closed. Alright, so there goes our 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we need 1/4 of a cup of beef broth. Okay, now we're just going to let that cook until all the liquid is dissolved, and then that will be all of our mushroom sauce. Alright guys, our mushroom sauce is just about done. We're just trying to get the last of the liquid out of here, of the beef broth. And our burgers have come in off the grill, and I got a dog in the way.
Remember to cook the turkey burgers to an internal temperature of 165 degrees.
And we have some bacon. And we're going to assemble in just a minute. Just as soon as I finish getting the last little bit of liquid to go out on our mushrooms, we'll be ready to go. Now we're going to assemble our bacon mushroom Swiss turkey burgers.
Again, we're using a plant-based bun. These are what we're using right here.
Add my bacon. Then I'm going to add my mushrooms on top here. And then I have a few crispy shallots I'm going to add to the top. Alright guys, and that's our plant-based, keto-friendly bacon turkey mushroom and Swiss burger. Alright guys, here is our finished burgers. We got our bacon mushroom Swiss turkey burgers. So now we're going to give them a try on our plant-based buns.
That's not bad to be a plant-based.
It's really good.
I need a napkin.
Okay guys, we hope you enjoy the video and enjoy cooking.